What up, y'all? It is Wednesday. It is Rideshare Garage podcast night. But right now it's 8:40 in the morning. And I had to come out and take care of something. And I'm going to head back to the office. Got some trading to do. I missed out yesterday a little bit with Eddie, but I'm not going to miss out with him today. We got some final reviews we got to get done. The VinnyKuzz dash cam. I'm telling you, I'm starting to like it. I'm going to show you guys why later on in this video, why I think it is a very good dash cam. You might want to consider it if you're in the rideshare game. And then I've got to start an unboxing on the IceCo battery generators because it is hurricane season. And there's all kinds of things that you can do with this backup generator. You guys are going to see it. I'll show you a picture of it and we'll go from there. Right now, though, we're going to head home. I hope everybody's having a great day. Listen, it's not easy to stay positive in a negative world. No matter what you do, you wake up every morning, somebody's doing something. But then I look at shit like that. I know y'all can't see it, but I look at shit like that. That is a private jet that just took off from the Fort Lauderdale Executive Airport. I might have a shout out on the dash cam. Let's see. If I do, I'll put it here. And let's go have a good day. All right. So here we are. It's already 11:02. Eddie and I have already made our trades. He went up. Again, I jumped a little too quick. But my trade, I still got another 2 days on it. I know it's coming back down. We're going to enjoy it. We'll let that ride. I did get today's videos posted. It'll go live at 3 o'clock. So there's Eddie. He doesn't realize I put him on mute because he was overshadowing what I was trying to do. He's like that sometimes, bro. Eddie's, he's intense. Okay, it's all right. It's okay. He's intense. Anyway, I'll be back at 1 o'clock on the road in position. Lyft gave me a bonus hour, $7. So we're going to be in there plus the 30%, 40%. And then once that's done, then we're going to flip over to Uber. And I'm going to continue to prove my point that in certain areas, certain times of day, you can knock out 7 rides super quick if you're in an EV to try to catch that bonus without feeling like you're chasing the bonus. Might not make a lot of money. You're going to make something, but that's what we're going to do. All right, 12:22. We're going to throw on Uber for a minute, but this is not really the time frame I wanted to get the 7 rides in. But if I can get one started before the 1 o'clock start, you can see here, Lyft has the $7 bonuses going today for 1 hour. Got 10 different spots. Now, we know they throw the bonuses out. They don't expect many people to take the rides or there to be that many rides in those spots. But we're going to go head to one right now. It's been good to me in the past with Lyft. We're going to go try to get the first one going. And for an hour, we'll try to get as many as we can. I'll drop all the way down to regular Lyft. And every ride's an extra $7 plus. I think it's a 20% boost. Or turbo, whatever the hell. And then from 2 to 3, it's a 40% boost. Then once that's done, then we're gonna hit Uber, try to get my 7 rides in before I gotta be where I gotta be at 6:30. And then we got the podcast tonight. So this is why you always stick to the goals and move the plan as needed. Started at 1 o'clock, $7 bonus. They shrunk the box, they made it tighter. That's okay. It put me right into a little charger area. So I backed in there. I was there for, I don't know, a half hour. And I got a ride. It was a $9 ride going up to Pompano from Sunrise. And with the $7 made it 16 bucks. No big deal there. Then I got another request. It was $15.12 with the boost. But then obviously I get the $7 on the back end of it. It was a quick ride, good people, and they threw me a $5 cash tip. So that wound up being 12 on the app. Plus 17 bucks there. So not bad for that first hour and 10 minutes. Then I decided to go ahead and turn on Uber. Got a comfort ride, $9 comfort ride, $3 tip, 12 bucks. But I got a reservation. Now you see after 3 o'clock is when I turn on Uber X to do X from 3 to 6. I got those rides, right? And I know, listen, I know a lot of you guys out there do a hell of a lot more rides than that. I'm just not used to X. I'm working my way into it. Be gentle. Anyway, I get a reservation request. You can see it here. 66 bucks going from Boca to FLL. So I am going to take that and not worry about getting 7 trips right now. That'll give me 2. So there's a good possibility I'm going to work to get 5 more before I call it a night. I don't even know if I'm going to make it home, if we're going to have the podcast or not tonight. You guys will know tomorrow if we did the podcast tonight. Because you all got to work, man. People are hurting out here, man. They're hurting, and they got to go to work. So that's where we're at right now. We're at 12 and 28, so what's that, 40 bucks? but I got another 66 on the hook, plus if I can work the tip. Y'all know, work the tip. Anyway, see you in a little bit. Finished off that airport truck, and I was hoping to get rematched out of it. I did not get rematched, nothing at all even sent my way. And when I got out of the airport area and back going on US 1 North, I realized why I didn't get rematched. It was 160 X cars sitting in that queue at 5:40 in the afternoon. 5:40 in the afternoon, it was 160 X cars sitting in that queue. Ooh, that's a lot of cars, man. So I said, okay, no problem. And then, you know, they were nice enough to tip out after that, so it wound up being a $90 ride. 66 on the ride, 27 on the tip. It worked out perfectly. I am thankful. I am thankful. Anyway, I did take one more X ride after that, so I got 4 rides in on Uber, 2 rides in on Lyft for $139 for the day. We got the podcast tonight, so I'm going to take care of what I take care of here. Then I'm going to head home, get some food cooked, and I'm going to see y'all when we start this podcast. Yeah.